Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing with you guys a morning ritual that I do on a daily basis to kick my day off. It's a drink which I have been drinking since past many years now, and it really is so healthy to kickstart your day with such a healthy drink. It actually is full of all kinds of nutrients. It has its greens, fruits, antibiotics, protein, your minerals, your collagen, good fat, everything that you can imagine in just one drink. So I will be sharing this recipe with all of you guys. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching.
Take a banana and some strawberries. You can also add any other fruits of your choice, some baby spinach, oat milk, or almond milk. You can even add coconut milk if you want. Collagen powder. Now, this is the marine collagen powder. It also contains hyaluronic acid and it is extremely good for your skin. It makes your skin really elastic and helps build collagen on your skin. Now, take all the ingredients in a blender, add 1 scoop of the collagen powder as instructed, and blend. Now you have to blend until it reaches a smooth texture, kind of like a smoothie. And there you have it. Extremely easy in the morning. It just takes 5 minutes.
So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. You can be very creative with this recipe. For example, you can even add an avocado, you can add some probiotics, you can even add some nuts, and you can bring in your own variations. That is the beauty of this recipe. So if you've liked this recipe and if you've liked my video today, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. It might benefit them as well. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, then I highly request you to do so, because I post every week something fun and exciting for you guys. So yeah, that was about it. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please take care, stay healthy, sleep well, and I will see you next week again with another set of content. Till then, goodbye.